Hey everybody, and welcome to the Stamp Anything March 2024 release preview. I'm Kevin with Stamp Anything, and I can't wait to show you this release. It is super exciting, super fun, and cute characters we have for you. So up on your screen right now, you see we have our Tiana, our Naveen, and our Mama Odie, all from Princess and the Frog. And of course, these stamps come with their outline dies, and we have the Fleur-de-Lis stencil, the Balcony Builder die, and the Shine Bright Word die. So let's go ahead and show you these awesome characters. So we're just going to switch that up, and let's go ahead and show you. So I've taken everything out of the package, so there's no glare, but everything comes packaged in these little paper folders, so they're easy to store. And here you have, they're all photopolymer. This is Tiana, Make a Wish, and Hold On Tight, and she is available right now in our website. So there she is, super cute. And of course, she does have her outline die if you wish to purchase that. So all our stamps have coordinating outline dies. Next up, we have our Naveen, and Naveen is his sentiment is dreams come true, and he comes with a little Tiana as a frog. So super cute. And of course, we have his matching outline die as well available. And when I put the QR codes up on the screen, that's so you can easily go to our website and purchase them if you'd like. Next up, we have Mama Odie, super cute, and her sentiment is this gonna be good, and she has her classic glasses, outfit and her little snake, so adorable. And of course, she is also comes available with her outline die. So next up, we have our word die this month, which is Shine Bright. It is a 3-part die. So you have your background lettering, or you have your background for your mat, and then you have your lettering, which is Shine Bright, and then you have your little star. And you can see in the example up on the screen too, you can see how you can change the colors and put them up there. Then, of course, we have our brand new Balcony Builder die. This is super cute. I love this die. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of was like, we really need a balcony die for the set. So it kind of has a very New Orleans, French Quarter balcony style to it, and it is amazing on cards. I'm going to show you some examples from our design team coming up. So I really love this die, and it is available now as well. And finally, we have this month's stencil, and it is the Fleur-de-Lis. So this stencil fits perfectly with our Princess and the Frog theme, as well as Mardi Gras, which is this month. So I think that has been super fun to see. Let's switch us back up here, and let's go take a look at some of our design team's cards this month. So first up, we have this cute card, and this is Tiana, Make a Wish and Hold On Tight. This is by Betty Lim Silvernail, and you can find her at Lim Silvernail on Instagram. Her handle is up on the screen right now. So she has used the Vines die, the Balcony die from this release, and you can see how she's colored up Tiana. It looks absolutely adorable. Next up, we have a card by Marilyn Scheller, One Stamping Fool on Instagram. And again, she has used our awesome new balcony die. I love how she's done that and added the brick stencil behind it. And you can see right here is the Shine Bright word die. Next up, we have Naveen, Dreams Do Come True. This card is by Stephen Cruff, at Stephen Cruff on Instagram. And you can see he used a little frog there and the Balcony Builder die, and he used some bricks in the background as well. So super duper cute and adorable. As well, we have here a card by Betty again, and she used the Fleur-de-Lis stencil in the background and that Naveen stamp. I love how she kind of did this background. I think the perfect colors was perfect. Definitely one of my favorites. Not that I have favorites, but super cute. And it just shows you the different ways you can use the stencils. So next up, we have, what do we have next? Nope, we just saw that one. Now we have another card from Marilyn, One Stamping Fool on Instagram, and she has the Shine Bright in pinks, and she did a little shaker round card. I love how this turned out. I love the pinks, and I love the shape of this card, and I think Mama Odie looks so cute in it. And then we have a card here by Sandra and at Addicted to Creativity, and that's addicted_to_creativity. And she used some of the foliage dies, and she used that Shine Bright and the Fleur de Lis in the background, and it's that Mama Odie, this is going to be good. Love how all these cards have turned out by the design team. Make sure to stay tuned for more coming up in our reels, our Instagram, and our Facebook page from the design team, as well as on YouTube here to see some more examples. So if you are new here, I'm going to talk to you about Stamp Club. Stamp Club comes in 3 levels, and what it gets you is your stamps, dies, or everything. So the first level of Stamp Club is 3 new images each month and a 15% discount store-wide. It includes first-class shipping within the US and Canada. Our next tier level is standard level, and that is when you want the stamps and the dies. And so you get your 3 stamps, your 3 coordinating outline dies, and you get that 15% store-wide discount and that first-class shipping. Now, we have our deluxe level, which is our top tier level, and that is 3 new images each month, the 3 coordinating image outline dies for the monthly release. You also get the word die, the builder die, and the stencil as well. The discount for store-wide goes up to 20%. As well, you get a free birthday item the month of your birthday. You get all the digital images for free as well in this level. And of course, your free shipping. So an awesome deal. I will tell you right now, so if you were watching this video right now, I can already tell you that by the time this video goes up, we do have some products from this release that are already sold out. So we've had an increase in subscriptions, an increase in fannies over the last few months, and we've been noticing that we have started to sell out of some items very, very quickly. And this release has already proven to be like super popular. And of course, it's awesome, like all our releases. But yes, the last few have been getting sold out quite quick. So if you see this video and you love these stamps, or if you love the dies, I would say run to the website, don't walk, and pick up the items right away. Last thing I'm going to talk to you about today is our stencil club. So if you love stencils, like the Fleur de Lis stencil and all those that I showed you previous videos, Stencil Club is a monthly release, a subscription only. You get 3 stencils every month for $10 right to your door. Stencils aren't available normally on our website, so these are just for subscription members, and it's an awesome way to build up your collection. So again, I'm going to show you that release again. So again, we have our Tiana, our Naveen, our Mama Odie. We have our Fleur de Lis stencil, our Balcony builder die, and our Shine Bright word die. So super excited that I got to share all this with you today. I'm going to go through and just show you those QR codes again in case you are interested. So we have Tiana, Make a Wish and Hold On Tight. We have our Naveen, Dreams Come True. Mama Odie, This Gonna Be Good. Our Shine Bright word die, our Balcony builder die, and finally our Fleur de Lis stencil. So thank you very much for tuning in and seeing our new March 2024 release. I can't wait to see you next month. So have a wonderful day and happy shopping.